May kakilala ka ba nag-aaral sa Science High School? Example, Manila Science High School, Philippine Science High School, Makati Science High School, Taguig Science High School, Quezon City Science High School. At sila po yung madalas na nagko-compete at mga nananalo in different competition, whether it is local or international. Pero bago ka ma-admit sa mga science high school, syempre, magsusunog ka muna ng kilay para sa ating entrance examination. By the way, this is the Science High Advance. So kung ikaw ay magulang or kaya may anak ka, pamangkin, cousin na gusto mag-aral sa Science High School, pwede makatulong sa iyo itong Science High Advance. I-walk through kita sa laman or content ng Science High Advance. The Science High Advance lectures, tips, and sample exams. Complete Science High School Exam Reviewer. So this is the first edition. And ito po yung ating table of content. Pre-test, cheat sheet, post-test, then review for science, language proficiency, abstract reasoning, and the answer keys for different areas. So kung may pamangkin ka, anak, na gusto mag-aral sa Science High School at siya ay incoming grade 7, pwede po itong Science High Advanced na reviewer po natin. So ang kagandahan din sa mga nasa Science High School, sila po yung madalas priority ng ating University of the Philippines to admit in their college. At syempre, sila yung mga estudyanteng prepared dahil meron po silang specialized curriculum na pang Science High School lang. O di ba? Magiging well-trained yung anak mo kapag nakapasok sa Science High School. So, in order for him or her to admit in the school, kailangan po niya ng reviewer, and this Science High Advance ang makakatulong po sa kanya.